Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asi, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls, for women. Some ideas for mature women. In different ideas of haircut, trendy ideas of hairstyling, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, and many much more latest ideas and beautiful collection. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle, fine straight hair with long bang. Wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curls naturally. Some ideas may curl. And so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And so stylish ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. And so beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. And a beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. With different ideas of base color. And many much more latest collection, trendy ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. And please must share your feedback because it's very important for growing channel. So please must share with me your opinion, your ideas, your suggestion about short hairs, and as soon as possible I'll become latest and new trendy ideas. for you. So please must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll add back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.